Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure power and cleanliness won't mask problems. First, confirm the case and both AirPods are charged above 30%. Low power can prevent pairing and diagnostics. Once powered, open the lid and inspect the hinge area and contact pins for debris, corrosion, or bent connectors. Use a soft brush to remove loose dust and a slightly dampened cotton swab with 70% isopropyl to clean contacts. This prepares the hardware, so the next steps actually fix the mechanism rather than hiding issues. You'll now address a physically stuck hinge. Carefully apply slight upward pressure to the lid while you gently flex the hinge toward the case. This realigns pins that bind. Next, place micro drops of isopropyl at the hinge pivot. Do not flood the case or get liquid on speaker grills because it evaporates quickly and loosens gummed-up oils. Once done, work the lid through full open and close cycles slowly for 10 to 15 repetitions, so friction wears down gradually and realignment sets without damaging plastic catches. Finish by resetting and verifying function. After mechanical freeing, hold the setup button for 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white to reset pairing and clear firmware glitches that mimic hardware failure. Pair to your device and confirm both charging and audio. Operate the lid repeatedly over the next 24 hours to ensure the hinge remains smooth. If the lid still binds, avoid forcing it. This likely needs professional service or a replacement case, which prevents shredding hidden plastic tabs and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.